Work from home jobs were rising well even before COVID-19 pandemic forced organizations to vacate their workplaces. Now, when the pandemic has changed the functioning of the whole country, the demand for engaging in work from home jobs is more than ever. Just a few decades back, most of the work from home job opportunities were far from being beneficial. Also, before the dawning of the internet, it was pretty difficult to sort through the frauds and the real opportunities. Some job offers from the past incorporate mystery shopping, check and cashing schemes, medical billing jobs that require you to buy high priced computer software, or craft making jobs that ask you to pay for money, materials even before you get started. Let's talk about the wave of change. One thing we might notice from COVID is how remote work can be rewarding even on a larger scale. In 2020, there is plenty of work from home jobs out there. Also, improvements in technology and the birth of social media have made it easier for the people to find it online opportunities that are legitimate. To an added advantage, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. A study from Upwork and Freelancers Union even forecasted that more than half of the workforce will be engaged in freelance work in the coming decade, specifying the fact that approximately that 50% of the millennials are freelancing already. We have listed down 11 work from home jobs attainable just with a computer, mobile device and internet access. 1. Freelance writer. More than ever, writers are required to work out on new articles, create engaging content, and come up with creative ideas that attract consumers to fill the pages of nearly every site over the internet. Even though many famous websites have their in-house writers, numerous growing websites outsource their content and hire freelance content developers and writers and post opportunities for online jobs from home. Previous experience in writing is very helpful to get these kind of jobs. But prerequisite to get started are ambition, drive, and ability to find a unique perspective on the events that take place every day. Sites like freelancer.com list online freelancing opportunities, as does MediaBistro, Upwork.com. To get hired, you will presumably need to have a portfolio of solid work, or you can link some writing samples in your resume. 2. Social media marketer. You heard it right. We are talking about social media. Almost every big or small business is on the social media bandwagon as a medium to increase their reach and contact to the customers directly. That too, without paying a huge chunk of money for print, television, or radio ads. But not every business owner can manage his or her social media accounts by themselves, which is why nowadays more individuals have started marketing themselves as social media managers who assist businesses to expand their reach and grow online following. Thousands of listings of social media managers or the marketers can be found on the sites such as Simply Hired, Career Builder, and Upwork. If you have work experience in the field and command over social media, you might even be able to get directly into reaching out the companies if they are looking for a social media marketing manager. According to Glassdoor, the average salary of a social media manager is 50,000 plus a year. 3. Web developer. It's not difficult task to build your own website if you take advantage of free learning opportunities available online. However, much of the population don't have the time and is also equipped to build their own website, which is why many people have started their career as web developers, building blogs and websites for others. As per BLS, over 16% of web developers are self-employed, and with the vast majority working from home just with a laptop and fast internet connection. You usually don't need to have an advanced degree to start working in this field. All you need to know is post secondary education and a portfolio of outstanding websites you have already worked on and applicable experience if any. There are even comprehensive coding boot camps created to teach programming skills in a few months. Fourth, virtual assistant. With the numerous businesses operating partially or even completely online, it's no wonder that many of the businesses appoint virtual assistants to support them to organize and to complete administrative tasks. These people are independent contractors who, from a remote location, mostly from their office or home, assist numerous clients in a range of industries by providing creative, administrative, and technical services. Even though virtual assistant jobs may vary, responsibilities can include organizing and distributing business related documents, composing and acknowledging emails, reply to the businesses and media inquiries, creating, writing, etc. Fifth, data entry. Data entry encompasses distinct job titles, but they generally consist of putting data into an organization system from audio or written files. Many businesses need employees to enter diversified data into their systems, whether the data is utilized to track shipments or inventory, constitute their business plans, or measure production or output. Since a computer and great typing skills are the most crucial prerequisites for such online jobs from home, several data entry workers work at home with a schedule that fits their life. Most legitimate associations hiring for this kind of work appoint people as independent contractors and not a full-time employee. Sixth, customer service executive. Several businesses need employees who can assist customers, answer the phone call at all hours, and process orders to deal with the returns of the products. Now that more businesses are functioning online, a rising number of these jobs are done by customer service executives from home. Being a customer service executive at home just requires a computer and may require distinctive software or equipment. An impressive phone voice helps as well, as does some prior work experience in customer service field, retail sales, data entry or management. Many sites list openings for online work from home jobs for customer service executives including Upwork and Simply Hired. 7. Website tester. Sites like userlytics.com and usertesting.com pay people to test various websites and mobile applications and then share their reviews and feedback. Many enterprises pay online testers to make sure that their websites are spontaneous and easy to navigate. You need to follow the instructions you are given to check the website, as organizations want to be sure that the user experience is a good one. Opportunities for this work, usually known as remote usability testing, may be limited. This can be called more of a side gig. 8. Drop shipping. Do you know that you can get engaged in selling products without worrying about fulfilling orders and inventory? Yes, this method of e-commerce is known as drop shipping. You work as a retailer who needs to launch an e-commerce store and advertise a manufacturer's product. 1. A customer visits your website and completes his or her order. 2. You then forward the customer data and order information to the manufacturer, and they handle the shipping and deliver the desired product. The process is not very complex and just requires a website to become an online retailer to sell thousands of potential products online. 9th, online courses, consulting and coaching. Another great work from home job is being an online coach in various fields. With the rise of remote work and e-learning, it's a perfect time to enter this field. If you like working for people and helping them to achieve their goals, then this work from home job will be a great one for you. There are many types of coaches. That includes career coaches, life coaches, business coaches, wellness coaches, executive coaches, spiritual coaches, and financial coaches. You first need to decide your niche area of expertise and prior experiences you have in the certain field. You can also start creating and selling online courses. Number 10. Video or audio editor. If you are a professional in using video editing tools, one great work from home job is to be a full-time remote video editor. As a video and audio editor, there are many opportunities to get more remote work. Unlike other film crew, a video or audio editor can work from anywhere. While most people can edit simple videos, you can gain expertise to cut together a fascinating short video or film. With the upsurge in the video marketing, the demand for editors is only going to rise from here. While it's complex to break into video editing in TV and film at an initial stage, you can organize a lucrative work from home business targeting brands that require video content. 11th. Programming and coding jobs. Freelance programming and coding jobs are in high demand. It is easy to get and possess a high hourly rate, especially when you are experienced. Several people are looking for freelance coders. The amount of work from home coding and programming jobs far outweigh other jobs in terms of volume. Work from home coding job includes data scraping, mobile app development, microcontroller programming, website development, building chatbots for websites, and building gaming application. So guys, that's all for now. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye for now.